So right now we're gonna show you how to put the OmniDrill on the OmniDrill holder, part number 505247. So we have the holder, we have the drill, and a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver that you're going to need. Okay. So when you open up the package, you have the holder and an Allen key to loosen up the keys. Okay. What you're going to need to do, you need to open up this hole a little bit more. Right. So you loosen up the screws. Almost until it's all out. You can see that it's out. Okay, we're gonna take a flathead screwdriver and just wedge it here and just open it. Try to do it from all four sides. Okay, that's gonna allow you to move the OmniDrill beyond this point to the body. Okay, so then all you gotta do is push the OmniDrill. Okay, until it goes beyond the body, up to that point. And then you gotta do is put the screw in. And then you gotta attach the holder to the stereotaxic frame.